Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in last video we studied practice set 6.1 of the chapter statistics. In that video we studied about the first measure of central tendency, that is mean. In this video we are going to study second central tendency, that is median for group frequency distribution. Median we are studying today. Median. Let's see practice set 6.2. First example of this practice set is the following table shows classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. Now here this is the class, daily number of hours. This is first column of solution. This is of class. Number of workers, this is second column of solution. Already both are here and both we have to copy, but we have to write in vertical way in the solution. First daily wages, daily number of hours, second number of workers, this is frequency, and third column we have to add by ourselves, that is CF less than type. CF means cumulative frequency less than type, means in solution we have to draw three columns. First daily number of hours, this is of class, second number of workers, this is frequency F, and third cumulative frequency less than type. And with the help of table then we have to find median. Let's start solution. Dear friends, let's see solution now. Here solution, and this is table drawn in the solution. Both these, first is daily number of hours, we wrote here as it is. Second number of workers, F as it is. Here we have to write 150, second 500, third 300, and fourth 50. Means both these columns are from example only, but this is by horizontal way we wrote here vertically, and this we added by ourselves, that is CF means cumulative frequency less than type. In last year we studied how to write CF less than type. This is frequency. When we write CF less than type, first frequency you write as it is, 150. First frequency write as it is, and add next consecutive to previous. Now here 150 plus 500, we have to add it. Here we get 650. Then 650 plus 300, we get here 950. 950 plus last 50, we get 1000. This is the table of solution. Here after that, one more row, means like this. Here we want extra row here. This is F. F means frequency. Here we want sum of that. We call it N. Both are same. We can see here sum of summation of Fi, or we can write here N also. Now let's add it. 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carried over, 4 plus 5, and here 10. See here, N is equal to 1000, and here last sum is also 1000. If this last sum and here N is equal to, means sum of frequencies, both values are same, then our table is correct. Understood, no? This last addition and here N, both values should be same. Now after that what to do? Here some given part we have to write. N, main thing is N, most important value is N. N is equal to 1000. Okay, here. Therefore N upon 2, we want half of this, N upon 2, 1000 upon 2, 500. Okay, and this N upon 2 is very important, and we got N upon 2 from N value, therefore N is important. First you take N is equal to 1000, then find out N upon 2 value. N upon 2 is equal to 1000 upon 2, 500. Now in CF, see the cumulative frequency more than 500. See what I am saying? we want CF more than 500. More than 500, just more than means so many here. This is more, don't take. This is also greater, this is also, but we want just greater than 500 is here. Therefore here this class is called median class. See which 650, this is called median class. Median class. From median class F, this is 500. 500 is F, small f, frequency. From the same class come back, take lower limit. This lower limit L is called lower limit. Means see here, from n upon 2 is 500, just more than CF, just more than 500, 650, and that's why this class we call median class. From the median class you take from number of workers, means frequency F, frequency. From the same class take lower limit L, and CF less than 650 means previous value, you say here it is CF, cumulative frequency. Means how many values we got from this? L lower limit, frequency F, CF cumulative frequency less than 650. Okay, now write all these given values. L is equal to 10, F is equal to 500, then CF is equal to 150, and one more value we want, that is difference. Here difference between upper minus lower, we call it here H. What is difference? Here difference is of 2. H is equal to 2. These all values we need to find median. Now the formula of median. Now we want median. Median is equal to L plus, you have to memorize this formula, L plus in bracket n upon 2 minus CF upon F bracket close multiplied by H. See, median is equal to L plus, means lower limit plus in bracket n upon 2 minus CF upon F bracket close multiplied by H. Now put all values here and find out median. Now let's substitute values. Is equal to L 10 plus in bracket n upon 2 here 500 minus CF 150, all values are here only, upon F is also here, see 500, n upon 2 500, F is also 500, okay, upon 500 multiplied by difference is of, difference means H 2. Now let's solve this. Here I continue, here I write is equal to, now 10 plus, here subtraction, how much? 350 upon 500 multiplied by 2, okay, is equal to 10 plus, now here this 1 0 cancel, okay, here we can reduce here this, or by 2 also we can do anyway, 2 1s are here 25 2s are, now by 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, now 7 upon 5, okay, is equal to, now cross multiplication, 10 5s are 50 plus 7 57 divided by 5 and is equal to, now again reduction here by 5 1s are 5 5 ones are 5, decimal point, 1 is left, 5 ones are 5, 2 are left here, 20, 5 fours are 20, 11.5. Therefore median, this is the answer now, therefore median is 11.4. Let's see example number 2. The frequency distribution table shows the number of mango trees. Here number of mango trees are given in a group, and yield of mangoes here second. Find the median of data. Now we want only 3 columns if their upper lower limits are same. Here upper limit, lower limits, lower 50, upper limit, here lower 100, 150, upper lower limits are same. Then we have only 3 columns. First, both as it is here, therefore first column number of mangoes, second number of trees, this is frequency F we can say, and third CF less than type. This is third, and we have to write as it is 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300. 3, second 30, third 90, fourth 80, fifth 17. Now this is the table of solution. Both these columns are from example only. Number of mangoes from example, number of trees, frequency as from table. CF we added, CF less than type. Now as I told you in the first example, or you have learnt in last year, when we write CF less than type, first frequency write as it is 33, then add to next 33 plus 30, addition is 63, 63 plus next 63 plus 90, here 153, 153 plus next 153 plus 80, here 3 as it is, 8 plus 5, 13, 233, 233 plus 17, how much? 250. Now as I told you that this 250 should come equal to n here. Now let's add this, and this value should be equal to this. Let's see, 7 plus 3 10, 1 carried over, 8 plus 2 10, 19, 20, 22, 25, 250, correct. N is equal to, and this is same, that's why table is correct. Now we want n upon 2 first. Okay, n upon 2 I write here, n is equal to, first write n 250. We want n upon 2. N upon 2 is important value. N upon 2 divided by 2 is equal to, means half of this, half of 250, 125. 125. Now we want CF just greater than, just more than 125. 125 here. This 63 is small, less than 125. We want greater than in this, and select this as a median class. This class is called median class. From this median class, lower limit take as a L, frequency take as a F, and CF less than 153 take as CF. This is CF. 3 values we got. Lower limit take L. Here I write L is equal to 150. F we get 90. Then CF you take 63 because less than 153. CF, here I write CF is equal to 63. H we want difference is of 50. H is equal to 50. And now median. Therefore median is equal to, here I write L plus in bracket N upon 2 minus CF upon F bracket close into H. Put value L now small. L is 150 here, lower limit. 150 plus N upon 2 you see. N upon 2 125. 125 minus CF. CF is 63. Here. Upon F 90. Multiplied by difference is of 50. 150 plus, now here subtraction, 125 minus 63. Now 125 minus 63 how much? 7, 70, then 30, 37, 37 plus 25, 37 plus 25, 50, 62. 62 divided by 90 multiplied by 50. 150 plus, now reduction, this 0 we can cut here. Now let's multiply this. 5 2s are 10, 6 5s are 30, 31, 310 divided by 9, 150 plus, now here reduced by 9, here I do 310 divided by 9. First 2 31, 9 3s are 27, 4 are left, 0, 4s are 36, 4 again 0 decimal point, 4s are again 4s are, okay, 34.44, 34.44, and here addition now. Addition is 184.4 approximate. Now these are number of mangoes, no? Median data, therefore 184, therefore median of the data is 184. Friends, let's see example number 3. The following table shows the classification of number of vehicles and their speeds on Mumbai-Pune expressway. Find the median of the data. Now see average speed kilometer per hour. This is the average speed of vehicle. 60 to 64, 64 to 69, here 70, 74, 75, 79, 79, 84, 84, 89. Number of vehicles are these. Most important thing for median is that we should know upper and lower limits. See here, upper and lower limits. Lower upper 60 64, 64 69, but here 70 74. These are different. 75 79. We want always for median lower upper limits same. Now here you see lower 64, upper 64 same, but here 70, here 69 different, here 74, here 70, here 75, here 74 different. And if such different classes are given, upper lower limits are different, then we have to make them equal by writing continuous classes. Continuous class should be there. Continuous class means upper lower limit same, that is called continuous class. And if these are different, we have to write their continuous classes. And if class is like this, then one extra column we have to add in that is of continuous classes. Means total number of columns will be 4. If these are same, if continuous classes are same, then only 3 columns. First, second, both as it is, third CF. But if they are different, we have to add one more, that is of continuous class. Let's start solution. First column from example as it is. These are all average speed means class. Second, we added 5 continuous classes extra column, because here 60, 64, 69, 70, 74, 75, 70, 80, upper and lower limit of the continuous classes are different. That's why we have to make them equal. This is additional. Number of vehicles same from example, and CF we want. Now here 60 to 64, 65 to 69. Here you see difference. Upper 65, lower 64. Difference is of 1. Okay. Now half of 1 means 1 upon 2, 0.5. What we have to do, subtract 0.5 from here, add 0.5 here continuously. Subtract 0.5 from here, we get 59.5. Add 0.5 here, 64.5. Subtract 0.5 here, 64.5. Add 0.5 here, 69.5. You see. Subtract 0.5 from here, 69.5. Add here, 74.5. Subtract from here, 74.5. Add here, 79.5. Subtract from here, 79.5. Add here, 84.5. Subtract from here, 84.5. Add here, 89.5. Now you see, these classes became equal. These are continuous classes. This is from example only, and less than type. You know how to write less than type. Write first frequency as it is, 10. Add to next, 10 plus 34. You can write directly now. 10 plus 34, 44. 44 I write. 44 plus 55, 99. 99. Write directly but correctly. 99 plus 85, 9 plus 5, 4, 1 carried over, 10, 18. Okay, now here plus 10, 194. 194 plus 6, 200. In this way we got CF, but is it right or not? We will check by n value. N is equal to. Now add this also. That should come 200, then it is correct. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 2 carried over, 3. 10 plus 2, 10, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. Correct. N is equal to 200. Okay. Now the work of table is over. Now write down given. We want n upon 2 value. Here I write n is equal to 200. N upon 2 is equal to 200 upon 2 means 100. This is very important value. Now in CF, take just greater than 100, 99 small, and then this, and take this as a median class. Take this as a median class, and in that continuous class take L value. L is here now. L is here. This is L value. Don't take 75. Take 74.5 L value. Here this value take as F. This value you take as CF. Wherever place you can write CF. And difference of this now. Difference is of, you see here, 79 minus 74. 5. Difference is of 5. H is equal to 5. Write all these given values. And upon 2 we got 100. Median class also we got. From that L. L is equal to 74.5. Then F 85. Then CF 99. H. H means difference of this now. Continuous class. 79.5 minus 74.5. H is equal to 5. Now write down median formula. Here I write median is equal to L plus in bracket n upon 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. Now L, all values are here, 74.5. 74.5 plus in bracket n upon 2, 100. Minus CF 99 upon F 85 bracket close multiplied by H 5. Now let's solve this. 74.5 plus 100 minus 99 1 upon 85 multiplied by 5. 74.5 plus reduction by 5. 5 ones are here. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 ones are 5. 335. 7s are 1 upon 17. Now we have to do cross multiplication. 74.5 into 17. Here I do 74.5 multiplied by 17. Now here product we got 126.65 plus 1 127.65 divided by 17. To divide this also 127.65 divided by 17. Whatever answer we get, that is median of the data. Division we got 74.559 after solving, and therefore approximate value is 75. This is the median of the data. Number 4. The production of electric bulbs in different factories is shown in the following table. Find the median of the productions. Number of bulbs 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60, 70, 70, 80. Means upper lower limits are same. That's why we want only 3 columns. Number of factories, this is frequency. Let's draw the same table by vertical way. Start solution. Both these columns are same. We copied from example. Third CF less than type. First frequency write as it is 12 as it is. 12 plus 35 47. I am writing directly now. 47 plus 20 67. 67 plus 15 70 82. 82 plus 8 88 90. 90 plus 7 97. 97 plus 8 105. 105. Let's check by n value. N is equal to, if this is also 105, then table is correct. 5 plus 2 7, or otherwise we'll do by 0. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 10 20, 35. 3 carried over. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 105. Correct. Now write all given values. N is equal to 105. We want n upon 2 means 105 divided by 2. Half of 105 52.5. 52.5. N is equal to. Now CF just more than 52.5. Here 67. Therefore take this as a median class. This is median class. From that lower limit take as a L, frequency take as F, up value take as CF, and difference here. Given values L, here I write L is equal to 50, F is equal to 20, CF 47, H difference 10. Okay, now formula median. Here I write median is equal to L plus in bracket N upon 2 minus CF upon F bracket close into H is equal to, now values are here, L 50 plus N upon 2 52.5 minus CF 47 upon F 20 bracket close multiplied by 10. H is 10. 50 plus subtraction now. How much subtraction? 52 minus 7 5.5 upon 20 multiplied by 10. is equal to 50 plus, now here multiply by 10, it becomes 55. Do it easy, multiplying by 10, 55 upon 20 is equal to 50 plus reduction by 5, 5 here 11, 5 4s are 11 upon 4, now is equal to 50 plus, either you can do cross multiplication, otherwise here you divide. 4 2s are 8 point, 4 2s are 8, then 3 30, 7s are 4 7s are 28, 2 20, 5s are, and now addition 52.75, and here these are in thousand. 52.75, one more zero we can give here, and if you multiply, because this is 1000, no, that becomes 52,000 means into 1000, then 52,750, 1000, that is here either you write 1000, 53,000, or otherwise remove decimal point and write just as 52,750. That is the median of the data production of electric lamps in 1000. Okay, if you write 53, write here 1000 front of that, here 1000, or otherwise take out decimal point and write 52,750. This practice set is completed.